Hi friends, today you are working on hearing and saying 3 sounds in a word. So you're going to be on Schoology today, and your questions, the first thing you need to do is say the picture. So this is a picture of a fan, and I'm actually going to move this down here in the middle. We have fan. Then you need to find the letters that represent the sounds you're saying in the word fan. So I'm going to find them. F says F, A says A, N says N, and E says E or E. Out of those choices, the ones that you hear in fan, you will need to drag them in the right order. So if I say F, A, N, I'm going to drag F, A, and then N. Then you'll click this blue button to move on to the next question until you are all done with the activity. Good luck!